Hello and welcome to the Google Gemini Long Context Competition demo. The use case aims to creatively alter the storyline of Harry Potter books by introducing James Bond character in it. We are using Google Gemini 1.5 API. In this use case, we are specifically using Flash model to generate rewritten content or the after the alteration we will get dialogues new dialogues between the James Bond and the other Harry Potter characters or alternate story arcs. So uh, in this we are using third and fifth book of Harry Potter series. Third book is Prison of Azkaban and fifth book is Order of Phoenix. In third book it contains more than 1,50,000 tokens, and in fifth book it contains more than 3,50,000 tokens. So this has vast amount of context length. So getting context length fitting into the model completely and getting contextual understanding, we need a model which can handle so much amount of token. That's why we are using Gemini 1.5 Flash API, and in that also context sketching we are implementing. And the context sketching is because after the alteration of the story is done, we have a complete context length stored in the cage. Then we will give multiple prompts to it, like give the summary of after the alteration, or second prompt can be write the dialogues between the James Bond and the other Harry Potter characters. So there will be multiple prompts on the same input length, same context. That's why we are using context sketching. So currently Gemini 1.5 Flash has 1 million token storage in the context sketch. So we are using that. So if you go into the code, so we will first install the required libraries. Then we will import the required libraries. We will import Kaggle secrets, then Google Generative AI, then configure a Gemini API key. We can get free API key from Google AI Studio, and after putting it in order add-on and secrets in Kaggle environment, we can use this. Then we will extract the text from the books. So these are the two books which are we are using in the dataset: Prisoner of Azkaban and Order of Phoenix. So we are extracting it. So one by one we are going to work on this books. So first we will work on Azkaban book. So we will write required prompts, right? So we also did prompt engineering in this. So if we go, then we have change extents. So how much extent we need to change? Like we need to alter the story in small extent to, so description is this. If you need to alter the medium extent or alter the story in drastic extent. So this is sub part of the prompt. Then what story need to be alteration from Prisoner of Azkaban? So that prompt engineering I have done on this. So complete prompt will go in the model. And when we will do for Order of Phoenix, this will be the story for the Order of Phoenix. What we want, we are also giving James Bond character in this. So this is the one. And then what output we required. So like here we give the scenario in which you made the changes in book to accommodate James Bond and how the storyline got affected. Second changes is the dialogues between James. This is the second prompt, this is the third prompt, and this is the fourth prompt. That's why we are using context API to store the context length once for specific duration and then asking prompt for that. Otherwise, if we do not use context sketching, then every time we need to do context length, get the context length fit in the model. So it will cost too much. Here we are creating context sketching. So I'm setting temperature little bit higher because we need a diverse and creative output. That's why I am temperature we need higher. Here in 1.5 it is giving a long responses and better results than lower than value that. We are using Flash a model, Gemini 1.5 Flash. Then we are giving system instruction to specifically for our use case. And then here we are creating function for catch content. Therefore, Prisoner of Azkaban, we are generating, creating the catch, and then we are generating model from catch. Then we are creating the model. So here we are combining the prompt which we have given. So all the sub prompts I am combining here. and then we are getting the response. So here it is giving the response for the first prompt. This is responses for second prompt. This is for third one, all the output, and this is one for fourth prompt, this contestant. Then let's check the metadata for it. The total token count is more than 1,50,000, right? So now we will delete the cache content because currently Flash API supports in free tier only 1 million token input. That's why we need to delete it, and we will also it will save us some money. Then we are again creating context cache for James Bond Order of Phoenix. So for this, I am giving the continuity to the story. So I am also giving the summary of Prisoner of Azkaban and then giving the prompt. So then we are getting here response also after getting the prompt, and by this way we are altering the story and giving the different prompts. And yeah, so it is giving proper result for Order of Phoenix. It is having more than 3,98,000 tokens. So yeah, that's a huge amount of tokens. So that's why Gemini API, Gemini 1.5 Flash model was very useful to get a contextual understanding. Then we are deleting cache content again. So that's it. So more than 150,000 for third book and more than 350,000 for fifth book. These were the input token lengths. So that was a demonstration of my use case. And also we have also like implemented prompt engineering in this. We give quality prompts. Also context sketching is done, and we deleted cache after our use to minimize the costs. Yeah, thank you.